How to put three hairs on Roblox. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, all you have to do is launch a browser and search for roblox.com. Make sure that you are currently logged into your account. Now once you are here, check out your inventory. From the list of category in your left hand side, navigate to the section of hair. So go ahead and do that firstly. Now in here you will already have some of the custom hair that you can apply to your avatar without a purchase. In the case, just tap on turn on, then reload and head for a second hairstyle. If you have not bought it yet, you can easily buy it, then again refresh it. And lastly, try on a third wig for your avatar. Now once you have select on, try on, don't forget to reload. Once you do all of this step, you will see that there is a difference in your avatar. And yes, your avatar will be wearing three hairs. And that wraps up this tutorial as well. We hope that we were able to help you. Thank you so much for tuning in.